One of the first viewers of the video after I initially posted it pointed out that that last example I made a mistake. So let me work through it again. We're looking at the one on top here. We've got 4 time slots to fill, and we're working backwards. Since there's no one on this list that's willing to wait 3 minutes. So we've got nothing to put there. Now we go back to 2 minutes. There are 2 on this list that are willing to wait for 2 minutes. So we choose the one among those 2 that has the most money, and that'll be the 2,000. Then we need to cross that one off because we've already used it. But we're still consider the 500. We back up to 1 minute, and there are 2 more to join the 500 on the list, or 1 more rather, that one there, the 1,000. So now we got to choose between the 1,000 that was willing to wait 1 minute and the 500 that's willing to wait 2. We pick the one with the most money. We get 1,000. We cross off the 1,000 because it's gone. And now back to slot 0, there's 1 more to add to the list to consider from. So now we're considering these 2 here. We take the one with the most, which is 1,200. And we get the same answer as before, but for the right reason. Let's try again with this second one, this example down here at the bottom. Again, at 3 minutes in, no one will be willing to wait that long. At 2 minutes, there are 2 to choose from again. So we'll choose the 2,000. We cross that one off because it's used. 500 stays checked. We back up a little bit. At 1 minute to go, that's a possibility. So now there are 2. This one here and this one here at the 500 are there to be chosen from. And we choose the 500 because it's more than the 100. So we put it in here. It's used up. And then back at time slot 0, everything that we haven't used already will be under consideration. And so now we pick the 200. And we end up with the optimal answer that way. So the list of available choices just keeps getting larger except for the ones that we choose. They get kicked off the list.